It's estimated women in Africa spend 40 billion hours a year collecting water from a well and then carrying it home.
All the women in Africa with all those hours. An Oklahoma nonprofit now helping provide running water. News 4's Caitlin Ogle tells us how you can get involved by lacing up your sneakers for a charity walk.
This 40-pound jerry can is typically what women and children in Africa carry for miles. But during the walk, participants will get a much easier 2-gallon bucket.
There's no position where it's not painful to carry 40 pounds of water.
That necessity, Matt Hagan says, falls on women and young girls in Africa, hauling water to their homes multiple times a day.
And they walk on average 3 miles to go get water that they bring back to their homes.
In 2008, Richard Greenlee and his wife founded the nonprofit Water4, teaching Africans how to drill wells and start businesses. But he says there's a problem when organizations build wells on the continent.
And the well breaks usually in about a year. So right now in Africa, as we sit, there's about 400,000 broken wells.
Usually it's a simple fix, but with limited resources, Greenlee says the wells stay broken for years.
And who pays for it? Because the well was given to the village, they have no money to repair it then.
So they changed the plan.
So we drill one deep borehole, and from that one borehole, this water well that we drilled, we then treat the water through 3 stages of filtration. And then we chlorinate the water so that we can send it down these long pipelines that provide water to entire villages and communities.
It costs family 3 cents a day for triple treated water, tested weekly, and provides clean water to 2.5 million people.
Which is a drop in the bucket.
On September 28th, they're hosting the Walk4 Water4 fundraiser at Scissortail Park. The first lap, you walk with an empty bucket. The next one, just add water.
But it lets you feel the weight of water and really gain empathy.
The funds raised will go to new water systems to bring clean water to even more homes.
Well, what the heck? Let's just keep doing it.
Caitlin Ogle, Oklahoma's News 4.
And the charity walk includes live music, face painting, and bounce houses for kiddos. Water4 will use the money raised and head to Ghana in November to build more systems for them.